Hello and welcome to CRI Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Thanks for all my subscribers for sticking with the channel. Today I'm on holiday in Bali in Indonesia, and I picked up quite a few new castings from Tomica, and I'm just about to have a cold beer because it's hot as balls over here today. It's like 33 degrees and sweaty as Christ. So I'm going to have a cold bintang after this video. So Brian, if you're watching, hope you're going to have a beer in Thailand. It's beer o'clock time here in Bali. So what we'll do, I'll just get rid of the coldie. I don't want to break that. Precious liquid. Did get a couple of Ferraris, Corvette, Lamborghini, a Renault, a Toyota RV, a Mustang, and Jim, this is the red truck I was looking at. If you're interested, I'll do this one a bit more detail, and a couple of buses. So before I do that, I'll just show you where I'm staying. There's a nice Bali hutch there. It's a friend of mine's villa. I stay here all the time I come to Bali. It's a private house and double story, 6 bedrooms, and this huge pool. It's like 9 meters long by about 6 meters wide, and I'm sitting in the pool now because it's damn hot. And it's a nice garden. The garden has just been in and pruned it, but the pool people haven't been in to clean the pool yet. It's a bit few leaves in the pool, but this is just perfect. A bintang sitting in the pool. What else could you ask for? So we better start the show. So first up is this blue Ferrari. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little bit awkward. And this is a F8 tribute car from Tomica. No opening parts. Silver finished headlamps and Ferrari badge. Not really keen on the choice of wheels. They do have better wheels on this Lamborghini at the back. That's got nicer wheels than this, but it's a nice blue metallic paint. Bit of suspension. Tomica always roll. And tempered brake lamps, I think. It's a bit glary, I can't really tell. Let me have a look. Oh no, they're lensed tail lamps. That's a nice one. Got quite a few Ferraris, but yeah, the better choice of wheels would be much better. And the next one is another Ferrari. It's a Stradale, and that's in ice green metallic. And same sort of wheels as the other one. Nicely detailed brake lamps at the back. And this is 1/62nd scale. It's got tempered headlamps as well. But, yeah, it's cool casting. Got working suspension. Rolls great. So cool. And then the next one is a C8 Corvette in yellow. And this is 1/62nd scale as well. It's a bit windy, I hope these boxes don't blow all over the place. Yeah, it's got inserted headlamps. No opening parts, which is great. Nice air vents and scoops at the back and side. rolls and suspension, and tempo brake lamps as well, so that's good to see. And the next one is really nice Lamborghini. I can't read it, it's too small, but nice metallic green. And these are the better rims and wheels. There's a beautiful lime green metallic, big rear deck wing, brake lamp detail. I'm not sure if this is coming out, it could be a bit glary today. Yeah, it's beautiful metallic green, love it. And those rims, no suspension, but tempered headlamps. She rolls perfectly. At the back. And the next one is a Renault Megane police car in blue. There's the box. This one's got suspension and painted brake lamps. Nice emergency decals over the rear, light bar on the roof, single light bar, tempered headlamps, cool suspension. This is 1/63rd scale. So yeah, that's a nice one. And then got this Toyota Pathfinder. It's strawberry red. Strawberry red metallic. No opening parts, but tempered brake lamps. A better choice of rims, but oh, lots of suspension work. Silver painted grille and headlamps. Hatch, no opening hatch. But yeah, it's a nice paint finish on that one. And then the next one is a Ford Mustang. Oops. In a powder blue. Oh, just bear with me for a second. These things are blowing everywhere. That's got same ordinary rims. They can do better. But opening door, left-hand drive. Lots of suspension. Tempered brake lamps. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. But these are like $9.40 Australian, so, which is cheap over here in Bali, because I pay like $18 or $19 back home for atomic ones. She rolls nicely. And a bit of a lip spoiler at the back. And then the next one, it's a bus of all things. It's a, I can't read it, it's too small. I thought it was a neat looking bus. In blue and white. This is 137th scale, I think it said. Rolls, no opening parts. Nice blue and white colour scheme. standard Tomica wheels on it, but it was a nice casting. Brake lamps on the back, rolls, no suspension. And the next one is another bus, some sort of EV bus. So that's it there, black and white. No suspension. Oh, that's the front. Big windshield. Rolls. Yeah, so they're quite a nice couple of buses. And then the last one is like a fire emergency vehicle, and it's away. There's the box. I can't read it. I'm facing the sun, so it's a bit glary. But it's got a raised crane at the back of the hook on it somewhere, and it swivels. And there's the hook. No suspension. It does come with a little packet of decals that you can stick all over it. So I won't bring them out because I'll probably blow everywhere. But for what it is, you know, $9, pretty good. Well, I think this one might have been a little bit more expensive because it was a bit bigger. Maybe $10.50 or something. But, typical Tomica wheels. But, Jim, if you're interested, some red trucks if you want it, I'll post it over to you when I get back home, because I'm not really keen on fire trucks, but I know you're a big fan of them, so just flick us a message in the comments. I still have your postal address, so say yay or nay, no problems. Not sure if you've got many Tomica casting. I'm not sure how many of these sort of vehicles they make. They must make quite a few, because I've seen other normal sort of emergency trucks, but not in red. Anyway, well, that's my little haul for my vacation. So, got the two buses, which are quite a nice vehicle set. Be nice in a diorama, a cityscape. Then the Corvette. Then the Ferraris. And that really nice green Lamborghini. The ordinary Toyota Hilux or whatever it is. The Mustang. And a little Renault. And we'll finish off with this emergency vehicle. So thanks very much. I'm just about to go and finish my bintang while I laze about in the pool, get a bit of a tan. So if you enjoyed this first international unboxing, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe, and I'll do another video when I finally get home on the 14th of November, so still a ways to go yet. So I may put another video out in the future, see how this one turns out. So once again, thanks to all my subscribers, and appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you soon. So cheers for now.